What's up, everyone? It's been a while since I've posted an update on my new 8.6 project. I just finished getting rid of all the sound deadening in the car. Now it's time to strip the chassis down, clean up the seams, get rid of some of the seam sealer items, and then start prepping the car for welding. As you can see, I kind of cleaned up the engine bay a little bit to kind of see what I have to deal with underneath. There's some surface rust right there, but I plan to probably gonna remove the battery stand completely, as I'm gonna want to get into those areas right there to stitch weld and reinforce the front end of the car. I ordered some plates from Seymour at Breeze Fab. They're reinforcement plates for the top of the strut towers. I also got some the reinforcement kit for Floss in Ireland. So it's going to be tying in these corners right here as well, along with the frame rails to the firewall and down there. So definitely the front end's gonna be nice and stiff, and especially with all the abuse it's gonna get from me racing and drifting. As you can see, the interior is all the sound deadening is completely stripped. It smells like gas in here because I used some gasoline to clean up the residue, but it actually came out really good. It's nice and clean. There's a couple spots that I need to clean up a little bit, but I'm not really worried about that. It's not really gonna get in the way of me stitch welding the chassis. There's a spot right there of rust that I need to fix and weld on, and as you can see, it looks like at one point this chassis probably had a brake fluid leak and got all over the area right there by the steering column. And as you can see, it's a little bit of surface rust, but nothing too major. I'm pretty sure I can put some rust stop on it and then paint over it and get rid of any issues in the future. So definitely stay tuned. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good learning process. Definitely with me trying to remember how to weld again. It's been quite a long time since I've actually welded anything, so I'm probably gonna start from the back so I can hide it a lot better and then move towards the front. So definitely stay tuned, and you'll see some more. Thanks.